A digital avatar creator for brands is emerging as one of the most transformative creative professions of the modern era, an arena where design, psychology, communication, storytelling, branding, and digital production merge into a single, sophisticated discipline. In a world where companies must communicate, constantly publish new content every day, interact with audiences across multiple regions, and maintain a consistent tone regardless of time or budget constraints, the concept of a virtual representative has evolved from a novelty into a strategic necessity. A digital avatar is not merely a face or a computer-generated model. It is a carefully crafted persona that embodies the essence of a brand, expresses its values, interacts with its customers, and delivers its message with clarity and continuity. The role of the creator who designs such an avatar is far deeper than producing a visual animation. It involves understanding human emotion, cultural behavior, voice patterns, facial expressions, branding psychology, and the subtle nuances that make a character feel relatable and alive. When a creator develops a digital avatar for a brand, the objective is to craft a spokesperson that can withstand global scrutiny, communicate without mistakes, and maintain a consistent identity across every medium, be it social media content, advertisements, training materials, customer engagements, or corporate presentations. The process usually begins with an extensive study of the brand's identity, the tone it uses, the audience it serves, the values it stands for, and the emotional impact it wants to create. Once this foundation is clear, the creator begins imagining what type of persona can best represent the company, whether it should be friendly or authoritative, energetic or calm, youthful or mature, formal or casual. This persona then transforms into specific physical characteristics: skin tone, facial structure, hairstyle, eye movements, clothing, posture, gestures, and the subtle imperfections that make a face feel genuinely human. Each detail is chosen with intentionality because even a slight mismatch, such as a smile that appears too stiff or eye contact that seems unfocused, can disconnect the viewer from the brand's message. Once the visual foundation is set, the next major element is the voice. For a digital avatar to feel convincing and trustworthy, its voice must align with its personality and the emotional goals of the brand. A luxury brand might require a soft, crisp, elegantly paced voice, while a youth-focused brand might prefer a lively, conversational tone filled with natural rhythms and expressive variations. Beyond tone and pitch, the creator must understand how emotion travels through sound, how a moment of excitement requires faster pacing, how a serious message demands breath control and steadiness, and how subtle pauses can add authenticity and calm. This attention to detail ensures that the avatar doesn't sound robotic or detached, but instead communicates like a trained spokesperson capable of connecting with people across diverse age groups and cultural backgrounds. The creator must also design a range of vocal behaviors: greetings, product explanations, announcements, humorous remarks, empathetic advice, and customer-facing responses. These behaviors create a well-rounded personality rather than a flat entity that feels scripted or limited. When voice, visual identity, and personality blend together seamlessly, the avatar takes on the qualities of a real human: recognizable, expressive, memorable, and aligned with the brand's mission. However, the creator's work doesn't end with developing the avatar, as face and voice movement plays an equally critical role. Humans express themselves with microgestures, slight eyebrow raises, soft head tilts, hand motions that emphasize key points, and posture changes that determine confidence levels. For a digital avatar to seem believable, these gestures must appear intentional and connected to the spoken message. Too much movement feels exaggerated. Too little movement feels lifeless. Striking the right balance requires an understanding of communication psychology, body language theory, and cinematic language. For example, a narrator explaining a product feature might use small circular hand motions, whereas an avatar revealing exciting news might lean forward slightly with widened eyes and an uplifted tone. These details matter because audiences subconsciously interpret body language before words. If the avatar behaves naturally, the viewer feels an instant sense of connection. If not, the viewer senses something is off and disengages. This is why the profession demands patience, practiced observation, and a deep appreciation for human expression. Once the avatar is fully formed, the creator must transition into a content architect, producing videos, ads, tutorials, product demos, social media messages, internal training modules, or even interactive experiences featuring the avatar. Each content piece must maintain consistent character design, voice style, expressions, pacing, and branding elements so that the avatar feels like the same person every time. Brands rely on this consistency because it builds trust. Customers begin to recognize the avatar as the official face of the company, just as they would a celebrity ambassador or a real-world spokesperson. For large corporations, the value of digital avatars is immense. Instead of hiring actors, repeatedly coordinating shoots, renting studios, managing lighting, paying makeup teams, and planning schedules, a company can rely on a constantly available, perfectly composed digital representative who never complains, never gets tired, never makes errors, and can instantly adapt to new campaigns or markets. A single avatar can speak multiple languages, helping brands reach global audiences without reshooting content from scratch. A cosmetics brand might create an avatar to demonstrate product application. A banking firm might use a confident, authoritative avatar to explain financial services. An educational institution might employ a warm, articulate avatar to teach lessons to thousands of students. Real estate companies benefit from avatars who guide clients through virtual tours. Tech companies use avatars to introduce new gadgets. Influencers use avatars to multiply their content output while maintaining their personal image. Even customer service departments are adopting avatar-based explainers so that instructions feel more friendly and human-like. As businesses across the world grow more dependent on digital-first strategies, the demand for avatar creators is accelerating. Smaller companies appreciate the affordability, while global enterprises appreciate the scalability. In both cases, creators with strong portfolios can charge premium rates because they are offering not just a digital face, but an entire communication system built around a personality that supports brand growth. What makes this profession even more unique is the level of creativity it unlocks. Unlike traditional video production, which is limited by physical resources, weather, scheduling, and budget, digital avatars allow limitless experimentation. The creator can redesign clothing instantly, change backgrounds effortlessly, adapt the avatar for different cultures, or even produce multiple versions for different customer segments. One version may appear more formal for corporate clients, while another may appear friendly and casual for social media audiences. This level of customization was almost impossible in the past without extensive production work. Now, it becomes part of the creator's strategic toolkit. The profession also requires long-term thinking because avatars grow and evolve with a brand. A creator might develop storyline arcs, seasonal upgrades, new expressions, theme-based outfits, or special animations for campaigns. Over time, these enhancements turn the avatar into a recognizable digital celebrity, something audiences begin to expect and follow. For creators, this means ongoing work, stable contracts, and recurring revenue because brands continue to refine and extend their virtual ambassador rather than abandoning it after single use. The creator must also understand cultural differences. An avatar meant for Middle Eastern audiences must carry modesty and respect in appearance. An avatar for Western audiences might embrace more individuality and boldness. An avatar for South Asian audiences may require expressive, warm emotional gestures. Colors hold cultural meanings. Clothing hints at subtle identity markers. Tone signifies familiarity or authority. A highly skilled creator understands these cues and ensures that the avatar resonates locally while maintaining global adaptability. Combined with an understanding of branding psychology, such as which expressions build trust, which gestures improve engagement, or which pacing keeps viewers watching, the creator becomes more than a designer. They become a digital strategist, shaping how the brand interacts with the world. As technology evolves, digital avatars will appear in more areas of modern life. As hosts for virtual events, as narrators in e-learning platforms, as guides in shopping apps, as entertainers in virtual concerts, and even as long-term companions in wellness and education. Their presence will grow, meaning creators who master this craft today stand at the beginning of a long, profitable, and influential future. The profession blends the logic of communication theory with the sensitivity of artistic expression and the precision of brand strategy. It requires patience, emotional intelligence, narrative skill, and an eye for aesthetics. Those who embrace it can expect a career full of diverse opportunities, high income potential, and global demand. In the years ahead, digital avatar creators will become as essential to brands as graphic designers, video editors, and creative directors once were. They will shape how companies present themselves, how stories are told, how products are introduced, and how customers form emotional connections with digital identities that feel as real and trustworthy as human ambassadors. It is a profession not defined by machines but by imagination, understanding, and the ability to transform a brand's personality into a living, breathing digital character capable of influencing millions.